Hello everyone! Welcome again to my channel. Is Lee Min-ho dating Kim Go-eun? Here is what he did to congratulate her on her new K-drama. Lee Min-ho and Kim Go-eun worked together on a super hit drama in 2020. The King Eternal Monarch surprised everyone with a spot on chemistry they have with each other. Lee Min-ho and Kim Go-eun treated fans with a new Instagram post on the same day. The two have been busy with their projects recently, but after weeks of silence on their Instagram accounts, the two actors posted new photos on the same day. Kim Go-eun is known for having beautiful on-screen chemistries with her co-stars, but Lee Min-ho is definitely one of the top of the list. Fans wanted to see more of them and are now speculating if the two amazing actors are actually dating. According to some sources, Lee Min-ho and Kim Go-eun are dating since 2020. Lee Min-ho had admitted that he was looking forward to working with the actress. During the interview, Lee Min-ho spoke about the actress, expressing his admiration for the attitude of Kim Go-eun. Kim Go-eun has revealed that she has found a copy track in the set of her upcoming K-drama. The track was sent from a group of fans who supported her and Lee Min-ho. What can you say about this news? Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.